Alright, everybody. Ham's Racing here. Me and Aubri gonna go out to the shop, and she's gonna work on her front end. I want to teach her how to do it. So, look, we got some snow.
I slid.
It's cold here too. I don't like cold weather. I've been out plowing driveways trying to make a dollar, you know. But all right, we're gonna get in this shop where the heat is, and we're gonna get to work. Here we go. All right, everybody. She's gonna learn how to work on her front end this today. So let's get underneath there and get to work. Let me get down here and I'll turn you back on. Hang on, man. Alright, I'll be down here getting ready. Alright, what you gonna do? We're gonna replace this center link. We got a new one right here.
I'm gonna scoot up because I'm too far away.
Okay. What are you mad at?
Better.
Alright, see all these pins?
Yeah.
You got your new nose pliers.
No, you had them.
I'll throw them down here. Alright, you gotta get your pins out.
That won't be too hard.
Alright, you gotta get that one, that one,
this one, and this
that one, and that one. There's 4 of them.
So I just
straighten them all out. Now straighten the other side out.
Ow. Just pinched myself.
Everybody, we trying to teach you the right way. You gotta know how to do all this good stuff to work the race. Now pinch them together. Oh, there you go. Now, if you can't get it out, stick your nail nose head in there, and it can help pull it out. Just watch them pliers. You might got it. Got to take this ratchet with a little hammer, tap it out. It's bent, ain't it?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to straighten it out. How did they get these in?
It's bent stubborn, y'all. Stick your pliers through there. Here, hold your pliers. Take your hammer and tap in.
Is it working?
I don't want to hit your hand though. You do it.
Probably gonna hit my hand anyway.
Don't hit your hand. There you go. It's coming. All right, now I'm going to straighten it up. This one got off.
Here.
There you go. Now see if you can get it out.
Excuse me while I just switch hands.
Alright, everybody, we're going to get all these out. We'll get back with you here in just a few minutes. Alright, there we go, y'all.
I'm like,
She's working on getting them out. They're being a little stubborn.
I just got something in my eye.
And they safety last long. I just want everybody to know that Aubrey's learned how to do it.
Look.
She's about to get it out.
I don't think it's straight. That's our problem. It's not straight.
I know. We're going to get the rest of them out and get back with you just a second. Alright, everybody. Aubrey got all the cotter pins out.
You helped.
I helped her a little bit.
This one was the most struggle.
So, here you go.
Is that one the 7 or?
That's your 18. Where's your ratchet? Right here. Now break these loose.
This was already loose.
Just don't take your nut all the way off. Now loosen the other side up over there.
Guess what? It's a 19.
It's right here.
Oh.
19
17?
Yeah, it's gotta be turned.
Do you want me to go turn the steering wheel?
Yeah, make it easier.
Alright, give me 1 moment.
Make sure it's on there all the way. Sure.
It was. How'd you do that?
It was loose. You can loosen
It.
it. Alright, go up there and turn the wheel.
Which way? Left or right?
To the right a little bit.
Almost just hit my head.
You gotta teach Aubri how to do this good stuff, y'all. I got a fork here, might have to use it on that one.
Right?
Yeah.
That good?
Keep going, you ain't turned it yet. Keep going. Hang on a minute, Doc.
That's hard to turn.
I know, it's the tie rods, huh? Now turn it.
Is that good? Or more?
Keep going. Alright, hope. See if we can get this and broke loose over here, everybody. We'll get our fork put in it. Alright, we'll show you how to do this. Get your fork. See where I put that fork in there?
No.
You gotta get your fork lined up in there, right. Let me come your way slow. Here, tap it in there. Go ahead. Keep going. You got it. You might get a better hammer. There's the hammer you need. Oh! Don't hit me!
Are you okay?
Yeah, keep going. Come on out there, baby. What's wrong with you?
What is this?
It's grease.
Oh, I thought it was like
Grease.
something. I thought it was some rubber.
There's no hair coming right out. There it is, y'all. Alright, get your ratchet.
What do we need? That's a 19.
Probably going to have a wrench or shallow well.
What's a shallow well?
Probably get you a wrench.
What size?
18 or 19, I'd say. Let me see.
That's a 19.
18.
Is that metric?
Yep, they're in the top right bottom drawer. 18 millimeter.
Top right.
I'll see if I can get this one loose for you.
Did you say a socket?
Wrench.
You told me top right. That has sockets in it.
Bottom one. Go down one.
I'm back.
Alright, see if you can get that one loose.
What am I doing? Oh. I got 19 just in case.
Alright, I got that loose for you. Use your box then. Use the box then. Yeah.
Is this the correct way?
Stick it on there. There you go. There you go. It's like it.
Pull it this way or the other way?
Pull it. Does it feel like getting looser?
Yeah.
Or is it getting tighter?
I don't know.
You go. You tighten it up.
I'm tightening it?
Yeah, go the other way. Don't let it slip off. They'll get them fingers, I promise you.
I get it. It's loose, kind of.
Let me see if I can turn it with my hand.
Whee.
Alright, we're gonna get her forward. Get forward. I'm gonna drive it in here.
It's on a hammer.
Did it come? Yep. Got that side, alright. We gotta get this side broke loose. I'm letting Aubri, letting her watch me do this part. Here you go. I hate a creeper. Alright, we got that side. Take your nut off over there.
I can't.
Oh yeah. This son of a bitch here wore out, y'all. Where's the needle nose? See if I can hold it. Let's see your wrench.
That's an 18. Wasn't that one like a 19 or something?
No. I'm gonna call Napa. This tire rods look kind of rusty. I'm gonna see how much they can get some new ones for. Have these here for backups. See if you can get that and loose that wrench over there.
Freaking hammer. I have no idea if I'm doing anything. Wee. 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 Wait, do I take the whole nut off?
Yep, I'll take it off and I'll hold it here.
Done.
Alright, pull that out. One day, damn it. I know that thing broke loose. Where's the fork at? There you go. Let's stick this in there. There it comes. We're hung on the dang nail. Let's hung on that damn thing there.
Did I get everything off the top?
Yeah, it's hung on this piece there. Something don't look right. See if you can go turn the wheel and I'll watch this joker.
Which way?
I don't know. Y'all, I don't think it's right, y'all.
I think I did.
Turn it to the left. I think somebody has put a new pep arm on this thing at one time. I don't think it's the right one. He ain't doing nothing, dude. Turn it all the way the other way.
All the way to the right?
All the way to the right. Yeah, let me try that. There we cooking with beans and taters, y'all. Gotta be smart in your equipment.
I'm back.
There's Tyra.
Something just got in my head. Dang, wasn't this camera at full charge?
Yeah.
It's at 27.
Yeah, I'll move. Alright, pick the camera up. Yeah. Alright, we got that good stuff off there. Aubrey's learning how to do this stuff. We're gonna call Napa over here and see how much 2 new tie rods and new idler arm's gonna be for it to go with a new center link. I don't want to put wore out junk on with a new part. Alright, everybody, I just want to get a little video out here to show you what we're doing. And Aubrey's got to get my number off her roof. We used one of my old roofs, so when I get this thing on the ground where she can get to it, we'll get that done.
I can get to the roof.
Yeah, but it's cold. But all right, y'all, that's all we're gonna do today. Let's try to make a little video, get a little footage out. Everybody have a great day. Turn around and say that bye, Aubri.
Bye-bye.
Hope y'all like and subscribe.